Hey, this is Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This playlist we're going to be going over the Ryobi cordless power carver. Now this has been out for a while and I've had it in my workshop for a while, probably a year and a half, and I guess I didn't really need it as bad as I thought I would, because I just now opened it. But it looks like a fun tool. I had one of these several years ago, probably 25 or 30 years ago. I loaned it to somebody and it came back without the collet right here. So it was basically worthless. So this is the newer version, a battery operated lithium ion USB rechargeable, part number FVH51K power carver kit. It comes with, you can see I've already opened it. It comes with the 3 carbon blades. It comes with the tool itself. It has the battery. It has the power cord, instruction manual, and another little doohickey in there. What's it say on the back of here? Industry's first cordless power carver, which is not true because I had one 25 years or so ago. I can't remember if it was Ryobi, but it may have been. Controlled carving with 14,000 strokes per minute. Powered by Ryobi USB Lithium battery. Let's see here. 21-inch USB cord. Let's put that aside. So here's the size of this thing, about the size of a rotary tool. Got air vents on top and on bottom and on each side. On and off switch right here. Ryobi name right here. Kind of not too big, but I wouldn't want it any bigger than what it is. Right here on the back is where you take off the end and put your battery in. There's a battery. Right here it says a USB Lithium 2 amp. And here is the Type C charging port. There we go. Let's go ahead and slide this in here. It will only go in one way. Tighten that down. There we go. Let's turn it on. Not too loud. Not loud at all, really. One thing I am surprised with is it doesn't come with a wrench right here to tighten that up. We'll see if that's an issue. Not too bad at all. Here's the 3 bits that it comes with. This is a V bit. This is a curved bit. And this is a straight bit. So I got you 3 basic bits right here. What's on this piece of paper? Write a review for a chance to win $1,000 Home Depot gift card. I wonder if anybody ever wins those things. But anyway, since I've had one of these before, I know basically what it does. I don't know about this one itself, but I know what the tools do. So let's go ahead and load up a bit. You can see the end of it right here. Right there. I'm going to put in a V-bit. Just put it in like this. Tighten it up with my hands. You see, it won't cut you. There we go. Let me zoom you in so you can see a little bit better what it's doing. There we go. Excuse the shadows. If I tilt this board up right here a little bit. Whoops. Kind of bogged that one down. Oh, no wonder it's upside down. There we go. Something tells me it's just not quite right for some reason. Let's pull it out a little bit and see what happens. Tighten this thing up. Nope, it won't hold if you pull it out a little bit. So let's push it back in. Let me put you back in focus. Push it back in. Tighten it up. See what happens here. There's no speed control on here. I'm just using a piece of pine right here, an old 2x8 or 2x10. Let's see if this curved one would do any different. I'm not liking this at all. It is not performing as it should. Let me go over this real quick here. Make sure I did everything right. Like I said, this is not completely new to me since I've had one before. Everything looks right. Let me take this out again. Take this off of here. Push it back into focus. Zoom back out a little bit so you can see a little bit better. Now this, you can see, if I push into focus here, there we go. It slides down in there. With no issues. So let me put this back on. Put this back in here. I don't know. don't know about this Ryobi, but not too thrilled with it. Not too thrilled at all. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to load this back up in here. Like this. Load up all these parts. Load up all these papers. Put it back in this container. I'm going to have to give this one a thumbs down. Not like what I remember it was years and years ago. Doesn't work as good at all. Very disappointed in it. Oh, okay. There is a wrench in here. Right here. So, before I do anything else, let me put one of these back in here. I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to tighten this up. That's pretty tight. It is loaded properly. Nope. Bogs down. So I'm going to say it again. Not too thrilled with this one. Going to take it back to Home Depot, get some kind of return or gift card or whatever. Doesn't really matter to me. So, thumbs down on this one. Buy at your own risk. It's not a bad tool. It just doesn't work. My name's Carl. I do appreciate watching.